lightning round, 3 most asked questions about our dove field in under 3 minutes. Brought to you in part by Deep River Sporting Clays, safe, fun, family entertainment. And by these additional sponsors. Number 1, what is your favorite type of millet to plant? Hands down, brown top millet is my favorite millet to plant. It's cheap, it's very readily accessible, but mainly for its growth habits. Brown top millet matures out quickly, it begins to mat down on its own, it stays off the ground so it doesn't rot, it just creates mats out here where the seed can still breathe, dry out, and it becomes accessible to the doves naturally. The doves are sitting all down in here in the brown top millet, they can get in here in these matted areas, feed on the seed doesn't rot on the ground, and we don't have to fire burn it, bush hog it, or do anything to make this available to the doves. I will come back through here and set fire to it, mainly to clean up the ground, but that is not a prerequisite when managing a brown top millet field for doves. Other millets like Dove Proso, White Proso, Japanese, and Golden are heavier stalk plants that stay much more tall and erect that don't drop down for the doves to access it. So you usually do have to come in here and manipulate those millet fields for the doves to access it. For that reason, I love brown top millet. It naturally becomes accessible to the doves. Question number 2, how do you prepare your fields for dove hunting? My hands down favorite way to prepare these fields is to let it grow to full maturity on its own, completely dry out on its own, and then set fire to it to burn off all the unnecessary thatch, leaving the seed on bare ground below. So fire burning is my preferred method. If you have areas with thick grass, then you do need to come in here and either mow it and scalp it fairly low or apply herbicide to dry out the grass. Otherwise, the field is not going to burn. Which brings me to question number 3. They say, do you disc, strips, or till in your millet field? I do not disc or till strips in my millet fields. The fire essentially serves as what the disc is doing, and that is creating bare dirt for the doves. The fire moves quickly through here, burning off all the loose thatch, but leaving the viable seed in place and a lot of bare dirt behind it. So no, I do not disc or till strips in my millet field. So there you have it. My favorite millet is brown top millet. I love to let it go naturally to maturity, come back to it, set fire to it, makes for an awesome, easy, and cheap DIY dove field. Thank you guys for watching. As always, God bless and take care.